I'm Chef James. Today I am going to show you not 2, not 3, but 5 ways to peel a tomato. Are you ready? I am too. Let's get cracking. No, not cracking. How about let's get peeling? And now let me show you the quickest, the easiest, my favorite way of deseeding a tomato. Well, what did you think? Make sure to leave your comments down below, and if there are any other videos you'd like us to do, include that in the comments too. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you next time.